Now, there will likely be lots of analysis of R. Kelly's sex trafficking and racketeering trial in the months and even years to come. So we're going to bring in now one of R. Kelly's attorneys, Steve Greenberg, to give his perspective on the case. He's representing the singer on federal charges that R. Kelly's facing in Illinois. Steve, thanks for your time this morning. So I've got to ask you first what your reaction was to yesterday's verdict.
Well, I can't state enough how disappointed I was. You know, we were involved in the New York trial for a long time, and in the months leading up to it, a couple of months beforehand, he made a decision to change his legal team. I was just saying this morning that it was sort of like starting Justin Fields in his first NFL game this weekend for the Bears, which didn't really work out too well. He went with a very inexperienced crew, and I think they got slaughtered. That's unfortunate because I think that he should have won that case. I don't think it was a racketeering enterprise. While there may be things, as people have said, in his past that he did that were wrong or immoral or distasteful, it doesn't really, in my opinion, rise to the level of a federal criminal case.
So it sounds like, Steve, you're taking issue with the racketeering portion of it. Elaborate on that for me.
Right. Well, what the prosecutors did, and people have recognized this, is they got extraordinarily creative. And I'm a firm believer that if a prosecutor has to get creative in order to figure out what you did that was illegal, then what you did probably wasn't illegal. Let's face it, they brought essentially a squirt gun to a knife fight. They didn't have any witnesses lined up, and they weren't prepared for it. There's problems with the jury instructions in the case. There's problems with the breadth of the evidence that was presented. I think it was an extraordinarily unfair trial where the government was allowed to bring in all sorts of other people to sort of tell their story without any backup, and they weren't charged crimes. It's what they call other crimes evidence, but there was way too much of it. It's why Bill Cosby's conviction got reversed in his case, because it's just patently unfair.
Well, I mean, we still heard some pretty damaging testimony, some graphic, information was brought to the stand. So how does that impact the case then? I mean, it's out there now, so that had to have impacted the jury's decision.
And now you're saying exactly what I'm saying. So what did that have to do with anything? For instance, he was alleged to have, in one instance, bribed somebody so that he could marry Aaliyah. What actually happened with Aaliyah, why that may have happened, wasn't relevant. He was alleged in a few incidents to have transported people across state lines for the purpose of having sex. That's fine. All that was relevant, and I'm a lawyer, so we break these things down, and like you said, jurors will look at it more broadly, which is why you want to narrow it down. They brought them across state lines for sex. What was relevant was they had sex. It wasn't relevant how they had sex. All these people that were allowed to say that R. Kelly gave them herpes when those particular counts of the charges didn't have anything to do with whether or not he gave them herpes. Just all sorts of problems, but his attorneys, and I don't mean to Monday morning quarterback everyone, but they were ill prepared. They didn't file the motions they needed to file. They didn't push back against the evidence, and he got railroaded and steamrolled.
All right, well, you're still representing him for federal charges in Illinois. So
Correct.
What happens next, if you can wrap that up for us quickly?
Well, we'll have to see. He's not going to get sentenced till next May, so I suspect that everything will just sit and wait to see what happens. He faces decades in prison in New York, and then we'll see whether they want to go ahead or not.
All right, Steve Greenberg, we appreciate you and your time this morning, and we hope we can check in with you again as more develops in this case. His legal battle's certainly not over.